In this video, I will tell you how to turn off remixing on Instagram. So, what is remixing basically? It's like the duet option on TikTok, where someone else uh, make a duet video with your video on Instagram. So, this is called remixing. So, how you can actually turn this off? First of all, make sure that your Instagram application is opened up. Then you will click onto the top three lines here, and then you will click on settings. Then you will go into the privacy. Then you will see here reels and remix option. So you have to click on this one. And on the top, you actually have to toggle this off. Allow remixing. Allow anyone to create reels that include your videos or photos and download them as a part of the remix. So if you don't want for this just for the reels, you can toggle this off. Okay. And if you don't want either this for feed videos, you can toggle this off. And then you have to allow for photos, toggle this off. Now what this will do is, when people watch your reel, they will not see the remix option there. Okay, so then they don't create their reels with your videos. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.